Dear students of class 3, I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. So children, I hope that you must have understood this chapter, that is chapter 5, the golden bird. Since you all have understood this chapter, children, so let us start with question answers of this very chapter, that is chapter 5, the golden bird. So children, just have a look to these lines taken from this chapter. Do as you like, said the monkey. This line is taken from this very chapter, children, and related to this line is the question here. You can see, what made the monkey say this? Now, the answer to this question is, monkey said this because the golden bird told that what can a monkey teach her who was having a funny face? Once again, children, I am repeating. Monkey said this because the golden bird told that what can a monkey teach her who was having a funny face? Okay, children? Now, let us move to question number 2. The lines here are, no, said the bird to the snake. Related to this line, the question is, what had the snake just said to her? Now children, what did the snake say to her? Now the answer to this question is, the snake said to her to show her the forest. Okay children? Once again I am repeating. The snake said to her to show her the forest. Now let us move to the third question, children. The lines have been given here from the story. When I am in danger, I do something wonderful. Let me show you, said the chameleon. Okay, these were the words said by chameleon. So, related to this line, the question is, what did the chameleon want to show the golden bird? Okay, children, the answer to this question is, chameleon wanted to show the golden bird how it changed its color when it was in danger. Once again, children, I am repeating the answer. Just quickly write down. Chameleon wanted to show the golden bird how it changed its color when it was in danger. Okay, children. Now let us move to the fourth question. Okay, children. Let us move to the fourth question. You can see the lines have been given. Suddenly, the golden bird saw a large eagle. Related to this, the question have been asked, what did the monkey and the snake and the chameleon do? Okay, children? Now, the answer to this question is, when the monkey, the snake, and the chameleon saw a large eagle, the monkey hid among the leaves of the trees. The snake slid into the deepest part of the ground, and the chameleon stayed quite still. Okay, children, hope you have got this answer. Once again, I am repeating. Write down, children. When the monkey, the snake, and the chameleon saw a large eagle, comma, the monkey hid among the leaves of the trees, comma, the snake slid into the deepest part of the ground, and the chameleon stayed quite still. Got it, children? Got the answer of question 4? Now let us move to question number 5. The lines have been given, children. Just see. The eagle did not see her. Related to this line, the question has been asked, how did this happen? Now, how the eagle couldn't see all the animals, children? How did it happen? Okay, the eagle did not see the golden bird as the snake pulled her into some bushes. The monkey lifted her into the tree and the chameleon pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. This was how the eagle could not see that bird. All the monkeys helped that bird to save that golden bird's life. Once again, I am repeating, children. Just see. The eagle did not see the golden bird as the snake pulled her into some bushes. The monkey lifted her into the tree and the chameleon pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. Got it, children? Let us move to question number 6. How can I thank you all? Exclaimed the bird. Related to this line, the question has been asked, how did the bird thank the monkey, the snake, and the chameleon? How did the monkey thank these animals? Okay, now related to this, the answer is the bird thanked the monkey, the snake, and the chameleon by singing beautiful song every day. Once again, I am repeating, children. Just write down. The bird thanked the monkey, the snake, and the chameleon by singing beautiful song every day. Hope, children, you all have written down the answer of the following questions. So, children, till then, revise these question answers and learn it. By then, I'll be catching you up with another video of mine. Take care, children. Bye.